All right, how you guys doing? It's Mike from Tin Tipper here. Just going briefly over the trucks in our process here for ordering. We just had a customer order this just late last night. Called us after hours and needed a 11-yard bin. This one, as you saw one earlier, this is going to be a 12 by 7 by 4. Again, the order process is pretty easy. We'll then just give us a call, and usually with that same day or the next day we can get that delivered for you. We do service Fort Myers, Cape Coral, North Fort Myers, Lehigh Acres. So if you guys need us, just give us a call for any of those types of needs you have. Again, this is our 11-yarder. We do have a 15-yarder as well as a 20. So they're all going to be your 11-yarders or 285, 10 days, 2 tons, which is 4,000 pounds. Our 15, as you saw earlier, that's going to be 310 for 10 days. Same thing, 2 tons, 4,000 pounds. And our largest residential is going to be a 20-yarder. That's going to be 330 for 10 days. Again, 2 tons, 4,000 pounds. As you look, I do encourage you to go on our website at tintipper.com and take a look at those. You'll see the different sizes and how they fit in the driveways, parking spots. They are very convenient. You're not taking up your entire driveway, so you can still, at your convenience, park your own vehicle in there without being inconvenienced with the projects going on. Once again, you just give us a call at it's 239-677-3525. Myself, Mike, or Kevin would be more than happy to assist you with any of your needs you need. Once again, that number is 239-677-3525. Thank you.